folks. Hey, this is the Chicken Express. There's a lot of different brand names on these, and they all basically do the same thing. I was having a problem where the solenoid wasn't releasing, and I suspect, they talk about how, especially if you're overfilled or if any of the oil gets down the exhaust, it can start gumming up, and it's definitely gummed up in here. So I got all the parts off. Really just a bunch of fittings. This is the thing that sits on top, but I think that's a magnet that controls that in there, and these are just the power cords there. But that just lifts off. Let me show you the parts. I'm going to put some degreaser on them, let it soak for a while. So got the parts in the tray here. Had a hard time getting that one separate, so I just spun it off the exhaust pipe. Get your little spring that goes in that. This is really gunked up if you look in there. And then this was the filter. The filter's pretty dirty as well. And then this little part for the solenoid. It's got the one little difference on the end here that points downward out of there, but everything's pretty sticky and gummed up. But it's all the parts. Like I say, I'm gonna give it a good soak with the Lysol grime and grease stuff here. I think I'll go spray a little of this inside those other fittings real quick. And there you go. Get that a real nice soak and then clean it up, put it back together. Should be good to go. So the part that was most gunked up was definitely this one. Inside there, all inside. This stuff here was all gunked up. This part wouldn't have moved before, but now it does. Goes in there. The filter is pretty dirty. Goes in here. So, should be in good shape.